The Motorola Moto G Stylus 2026 is shaping up to be an intriguing addition to Motorola's mid-range lineup, building on the practical stylus-equipped design that has defined its predecessors. According to recent leaks and renders, the phone is expected to feature a flat-edge 6.7-inch display with slim bezels and a textured, eco-leather back panel available in stylish color options like lavender and dark gray, giving it a more premium feel than typical budget phones. The device's signature built-in stylus will likely remain, nestled conveniently at the bottom edge for easy access, making it a strong choice for note-taking and creative tasks on the go. Design leaks also point to a triple camera setup on the rear, and although official performance specs haven't fully emerged yet, early reports suggest it will include solid mid-range hardware and maintain long battery life comparable to other Moto G phones. While details on the chipset and exact performance are still unconfirmed, this next-generation G Stylus is anticipated to launch in 2026 with modern features and Android software, keeping Motorola's tradition of offering capable and affordable stylus phones alive.